So in the previous video we talked about this behavior. Now let's go to the next tab, animations. So this is the animation tab, and for it to work we will need a video. So this is the video we have been using. Let me drag it back to this panel. Okay, so that is the video. So click on animation. So this is the animation. So you can scale, you can resize the video, any part of the video, and it depends on your own taste, you get. So that's how to resize it. If you leave it as, let me take this back. For you to know everything that is in the right edge, just watch this up part. It will show a yellow. So you can see, if you notice, there's a yellow line here. It shows these are the right position, as its maximum position. You understand? So let me try to see if I can. You can see the yellow it showed. So let me try to see if I can. You can see the yellow it showed. So I've taken it back to the normal 100% zoom size it was. Take this. Let me take this edge. Okay, so it's back. Okay, there's an issue with the downside. Let me check. Okay, you can see that yellow, it shows, okay, this is the right position it was before. Then leave it like that. Let me check the up also. Okay, so that is it. This is how it was initially. So you can leave it as scale to fit. If you click scale to fit, that's how it will look with the fittings like that. So let's say, for instance, now if you are recording, after you've recorded, now you want to edit a certain part of this video. Now if you notice in this video, now look at this point. I was referring to this shop tab. Okay, so for me to refer to it, this video is showing in a full screen. Sometimes you may not see it clearly. Depends on maybe your eyes or something, or even aside that from that, you need to make it clear for the viewer to see. You understand? So instead of leaving it like this, some people may not see this 4 selection box here. So you need to take the screen to focus on that region alone. Okay, so to do that, you go to this animation screen panel here. This zoom and pan and tab. Okay, zoom and pan. That's the name of this tab here. And you don't actually need this animation. You don't select it or use it for anything. It's not really necessary. So just choose on this zoom and pan. Then scale. So you can scale this. See the way I'm scaling now, it is showing the preview there. So once you scale this like this, at that point it will show in this place. You get. So once you show here this plus, look, watch, when I did this stuff, you see this arrow here. So this arrow shows that okay, something has happened there, and this is the annotation. You can see this is annotation. Look at the icon here. So the same icon you are seeing here. So whenever you see this arrow, it means you've triggered an animation here. Okay, so let's just see how it works now. Let me take this back and let me play it. It is playing now. You can see the way it took me to that side. But if you notice, it's still stuck there. So you need to then take it back to the full side. Let's say, for instance, after you've specified on that side finish, then you want to take it back to the normal size of the video. So take it back. I just drag this vertical line, this tool, to this point here where the arrow is. Okay, then you redo the animation, resize it back, and you can choose to resize this back here. Okay, I just shifted it now. Okay, so we can resize it back like this. You see that yellow stuff I show, which means that's the major part. It should stop. Let me adjust this again. Okay, just try to adjust. Make sure you see that yellow stuff. Okay, so the yellow lines are there. So this is the perfect. So you've taken it back to the actual size of the video. So if you play, it continues like this. Now let me just show you what I just did now. Let me take it back. Then play again. So watch. You can see it's zoomed in and zoomed out of that part. So that's how to use this animation tab. So usually it's good to just leave it as scale to fit. You understand? Why sometimes if you want to specifically adjust this, that's when you'll be tampering with this rectangular box, like how I've been doing since here. Okay, these animations, well, it's not much needed though. So that's it for this video. So the next video we'll be talking about cursor effects and how to add audio to your editing.